A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. A for ant. Look at the ant. Let's go see more letters. Yay! A for airplane. Whee! Look at it fly. Yay! A for airplane. B is for ball. Let's bounce the ball. B, bounce. Ball starts with B. B for banana. B for banana. B for banana. B for balloon. See the big red balloon? B is for balloon. C for cat. This is my cat. See? Her name starts with C. C is for car. Look, a red car. C. C is for cucumber. See the letter C on the wall? Cucumber starts with C. D is for dog. See? D for dog. Yeah, dog. E for door. D is for door. Look, a door on the wall. D for drum. D for drum, D for drum, D for drum. D is fun. Can you learn the next 4 letters with me, children? Let's go. I, J. So like and subscribe my channel.